I think it's a really warm, supportive and really fun place to be in. I think people involved with the LSW really care about Wales.
It's very intellectually stimulating. It's really been a joy to be involved.
Being a fellow is an honour. I am very proud of being a fellow of the Learning Society of Wales.
I think being part of the council is a chance to amplify your voice. It's a chance to make a big contribution to the broader running of the society and its direction of travel. And it's your chance to engage more fully, I suppose, with a greater range of colleagues beyond your institution. So to get that almost cross-Wales perspective, which I think will really enhance your understanding of where and how you make a difference in Wales.
Being part of the council or any committee within the Learned Society of Wales has huge advantages for individuals. You get information much before anybody else in your own area of expertise. This way, people who can get involved with the committees or council will enormously benefit personally.
Getting involved hands-on in the running is fantastic. You lead, you're involved with the strategy development and where the money goes and things like that. And I would personally suggest to anyone thinking of applying, do. Especially if you like getting stuck in and doing things.